Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a Chinese carved lacquer ashtray. Also known as Cinnabar lacquer. Really cool. Very intricate. I believe this is, from everything that I've read, it looks to me as though the base material is brass. Apparently there are many base materials used, or it could be. I did read that in connection with the Cinnabar lacquer that it was usually wood. So I don't know, it might be wood underneath this red part. I believe that this is the Cinnabar lacquer, which I read the description somewhere else as carved brick, which kind of makes sense. I don't know, maybe it's sort of like fired clay, whatever. I think lacquer is paint, or maybe they use lacquer in paint. I don't know. Wasn't paying attention that day. But you can see how intricate it is. Very detailed. But as I was saying, I believe that this is the Chinese carved lacquer, Cinnabar lacquer. And it says, all the descriptions that I saw said that it was hand carved. I don't know. I don't know whether that something like that could be done by a machine or not. Seems very or fairly, I should say, fragile. Kind of looks like clay. Now, I believe that the blue is enamel. And as I said, this brass. I'm going to have to get a ruler. I don't know, I'm guessing this is what, 3.5 inches across. It's not real big. You can see it there in relation to a Zippo Slim lighter. Just a little bit taller than a Zippo Slim. I apologize if there are any issues with the sound. I've noticed some irregularities and I've been working on them. And I've also got different microphone set up right now and a new one on the way as well. My work area here is kind of cluttered. I got a lot going on right at the moment, and we'll see some different videos, different kinds of videos coming here in the near future. But back to this Chinese carved lacquer ashtray. Kind of my light over here, still dealing with some light issues also. It's kind of hard with this light to see that blue on the inside, blue paint. I believe it's enamel. See if I can get some better light for that. Yeah, there you go. See that blue a little better. So I use the word sometimes, you know, I'm just a regular kind of guy, and you know, fancy things were not part of our lives, or at least we didn't think so. And so when I hear that word, it always it's so vague, but anyway, it just strikes such a tone. But this is one of the coolest things I've seen in a long time. It's some sort of flower, blossom, and then these carved images and those crevices so deep. Looks like it belongs on an episode of Kung Fu with a bunch of snakes down at the bottom of it. Anyway, very intricate, very detailed, and very cool. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of small ashtray. Till you get down to your butt, it's going to be hard to get two of them across there with them. With it, them right across the spots for the cigarettes to lay right across from each other. But it certainly would be an excellent ashtray for a solo smoker. If you like videos about old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button, send it off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays. Leave any comments, questions below. If you know anything about this Cinnabar Chinese lacquer, let me know. I would love to learn some more about it. Also, we would appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms, namely Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course, like us on eBay. Until next time.